Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Technika brand dishwasher and it won't work. It starts a cycle and then it stops. It abandons the cycle, and the rapid wash light and the 90-minute wash light are both blinking rapidly. And you're thinking, what is going on here? So what's happening is that the machine, when you start a cycle, it intakes water, and then it starts to heat it up, and it has a thermostat that measures the temperature, and it gives itself a certain amount of time to get that water heated up to temperature. And after a certain amount of time, if that water has not reached temperature, then it will give you this error. So what's probably going on, and unfortunately for a homeowner, this is not something that is easy to fix at home, is that there's either a problem potentially with your thermostat or the control board or the wiring or something like that, but the most likely scenario is that the actual heating element, it has burnt out, or the corrosion on it is preventing it from heating properly, and you're going to need to replace your heating element. You're probably going to have to call a technician to get that done. But anyways, at least you know what's going on with it and why this is happening. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.